Imagine sending money to someone across the world without needing a bank. That's the power of cryptocurrency. It's digital money secured by cryptography. Cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized networks called blockchains. Think of cryptocurrency like a digital token representing value. You can use it to buy goods and services. Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency, was created in 2009. Since then, thousands of other cryptocurrencies have emerged. Cryptocurrencies offer several advantages over traditional financial systems. They're generally faster, cheaper, and more secure. Transactions are transparent and traceable on the blockchain. Plus, cryptocurrencies are global, meaning you can send and receive them from anywhere. However, it's crucial to remember that cryptocurrencies are still a relatively new technology. Their value can be volatile, and regulations are still evolving. To grasp the potential of cryptocurrency, you need to understand blockchain technology. Imagine a digital ledger distributed across a network of computers. This ledger records every transaction, making it transparent and tamper-proof. Transactions are bundled into blocks and verified by miners. Miners solve complex problems to secure the network and earn rewards. Blockchain's decentralized nature makes it resistant to censorship. Each block is linked, ensuring system integrity. Blockchain's secure records can revolutionize industries like supply chain, healthcare, and voting. Ready to dip your toes into the world of cryptocurrency trading? You have several options. The most common way is through cryptocurrency exchanges. These platforms act as intermediaries, connecting buyers and sellers. Think of exchanges like digital marketplaces where you can trade different cryptocurrencies. You'll need to create an account, verify your identity, and deposit funds to start trading. Popular exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Each platform offers different features, fees, and security measures, so it's essential to do your research before choosing one. Another option is peer-to-peer, P2P trading. Here you buy and sell cryptocurrencies directly with other individuals without using an exchange. P2P platforms like Local Bitcoins and Paxful connect buyers and sellers locally or globally. Before you start trading, it's crucial to understand the different order types, such as market orders and limit orders. Market orders execute immediately at the current market price, while limit orders allow you to set a specific price at which you're willing to buy or sell. Section 4. Crypto Investing 101. Strategies for Beginners. Investing in cryptocurrency can be a roller coaster ride, but it can also be incredibly rewarding. One popular strategy for beginners is dollar cost averaging. Invest a fixed amount at regular intervals regardless of the price. This helps mitigate price volatility and can lower your average cost over time. Another strategy is diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investment across different cryptocurrencies to reduce risk. Consider investing in established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Remember, thorough research is key. Understand the technology, team, and market potential. Section 5. From novice to pro, leveling up your crypto game. Ready to take your cryptocurrency knowledge to the next level? Consider diving deeper into technical analysis and fundamental analysis. Technical analysis involves studying price charts and indicators to identify trends and patterns that can help predict future price movements. Fundamental analysis, on the other hand, focuses on evaluating the intrinsic value of a cryptocurrency. This involves analyzing factors such as the project's team, technology, adoption rate, and market competition. Learning to code can also be a valuable asset in the cryptocurrency space. Understanding blockchain technology and smart contracts opens up a world of opportunities, from developing decentralized applications to creating your own cryptocurrencies. Networking is another crucial aspect of becoming a cryptocurrency professional. Attend industry events, join online communities, and connect with other enthusiasts and experts. Building a strong network can provide valuable insights, mentorship, and even job opportunities. Section 6. Navigating the crypto future, risks and opportunities. The world of cryptocurrency is constantly evolving. New technologies, regulations, and use cases are emerging all the time. It's an exciting space with immense potential, but it's crucial to stay informed and adapt to the ever-changing landscape. One of the biggest challenges facing the cryptocurrency industry is regulation. Governments worldwide are still grappling with how to regulate this new asset class. Clear and balanced regulations are essential for fostering innovation and protecting investors. Despite the challenges, the future of cryptocurrency looks bright. Blockchain technology has the potential to revolutionize various industries, and cryptocurrencies are at the forefront of this revolution. From decentralized finance to non-fungible tokens, the possibilities are endless. As you embark on your cryptocurrency journey, remember to stay curious, stay informed, and never stop learning. The world of crypto is full of opportunities for those willing to explore its depths.